Whether it's a mobile app managing your investments, automated trading algorithms, or even cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, fintech is reshaping the global financial landscape in profound ways. Let's discuss the scope of fintech, its historical evolution, key technologies driving the change, and explore the fintech ecosystem that's bringing finance to everyone, everywhere. Segment 1. What is fintech? At its core, fintech is about innovation. It merges technology with financial services to enhance the way we interact with our money. From mobile banking apps to digital wallets, fintech aims to streamline complex financial processes, making them faster, cheaper, and more accessible. Take online payments, for example. Sending money across the world once took days and high fees. Now, thanks to digital payment solutions, transactions can be done in seconds, often at a fraction of the cost. But fintech doesn't stop there. It includes mobile banking, digital wallets, crowdfunding platforms, and even new-age investments like cryptocurrencies. The scope is vast, and these technologies have democratized financial services, giving people access to investment opportunities and financial tools that were once reserved for the wealthy or those with expensive advisors. Robo-advisors and mobile investment apps are transforming how people approach wealth building. With data-driven insights available at your fingertips, anyone with a smartphone can now manage their investments and receive personalized financial guidance. Segment 2. The implications of fintech. The rise of fintech has profound implications, both on an individual and institutional level. For individuals, it means more control over their financial health. Tools are now more intuitive and user-friendly compared to traditional banking methods. This shift challenges existing financial institutions, as they must compete with agile startups that are offering specialized services with better customer experiences. Banks and traditional financial institutions aren't just watching these developments from the sidelines, they're getting involved. Many banks now partner with fintech startups to digitize their operations, improving services like loan approvals, security features, and personalized banking experiences through the power of data analytics. But while the opportunities are vast, there are challenges. As fintech grows, regulatory frameworks are struggling to keep up, ensuring that online transactions remain secure and users' financial data stays private is a major concern as cyber threats like identity theft and hacking become more sophisticated. Moreover, the increasing reliance on technology means that a robust digital infrastructure is necessary, especially in areas with limited internet access. Segment 3. Key technologies driving fintech. Innovation in fintech continues to accelerate, fueled by groundbreaking technologies like blockchain, artificial intelligence, AI, and big data analytics. Blockchain is a game changer. Originally the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, blockchain offers secure, transparent, and immutable transaction ledgers. It's not just about digital currencies. Blockchain is also used for smart contracts, which automatically execute agreements without intermediaries, reducing fraud and speeding up transactions. This has massive potential in industries like real estate, supply chain management, and beyond. Artificial intelligence, AI, is another powerhouse. With its ability to analyze massive amounts of data in real time, AI is revolutionizing customer service and risk management in finance. AI-driven chatbots provide customer support 24/7, while advanced algorithms detect fraud by recognizing unusual patterns in financial behavior faster than any human could. AI also plays a key role in personalized financial guidance, helping individuals make smarter investment decisions. Big data analytics enables financial institutions to make more informed decisions. By analyzing vast amounts of data, companies can tailor financial services to the unique needs of their customers, predicting trends and offering personalized solutions. Segment 4. The evolution of fintech. To truly understand the impact of fintech today, it's important to look at its historical evolution. Let's take a trip back in time. In the 1950s, the introduction of the first credit cards marked a pivotal moment in the financial world, shifting away from cash and offering a new level of financial freedom. Fast forward to the 1960s and 70s, and we saw the advent of automated teller machines, ATMs, the first step toward self-service banking. The late 20th century saw the birth of online banking, which first appeared in the 1980s, allowing users to check balances and transfer funds from their computers. The 1990s and 2000s ushered in the rise of e-commerce, and with it, secure online payment systems like PayPal. But the most pivotal moment came after the 2008 financial crisis. As trust in traditional banks waned, a wave of innovative startups emerged. These companies, unencumbered by legacy systems, used technology to address inefficiencies and build solutions that were faster, more flexible, and more responsive to consumer needs. The introduction of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology in the late 2000s marked another revolutionary shift. Bitcoin in 2009 introduced a decentralized currency, which operates independently of central authorities. This was possible thanks to the blockchain, a secure, transparent, and decentralized ledger system. Segment 5. The Fintech Ecosystem. Now let's look at the Fintech ecosystem. This ecosystem is a dynamic, interconnected web of players, including startups, traditional financial institutions, regulators, investors, and consumers, all contributing to the ever-evolving landscape of fintech. At the heart of this ecosystem are the startups. These nimble, tech-savvy companies are disrupting traditional financial services by introducing innovations that larger institutions can't deploy as quickly. Startups tend to focus on niche problems, offering solutions that are more cost-effective, user-friendly, and efficient. However, the traditional financial giants, banks, and financial institutions still play a crucial role. Many of them have recognized the power of fintech and are partnering with startups to integrate new technology into their offerings. These partnerships are mutually beneficial. Startups gain access to the customer base and regulatory knowledge of established institutions, while banks inject innovation into their services without starting from scratch. Investors are also key players in the fintech ecosystem. Venture capitalists and angel investors fund the next wave of fintech companies, determining which ideas will have the financial backing to scale and which may fade out. Finally, regulators ensure that the industry remains stable and secure. With financial services having one of the highest levels of regulation globally, regulators work to foster innovation while protecting consumers and ensuring the financial system remains sound. Segment 6. Key technologies driving fintech. Financial technology, or fintech, has rapidly become one of the most transformative forces in the world of finance. Over the past decade, we've seen how the fusion of technology with finance has revolutionized everything from banking to investing, creating new ways for people and businesses to manage money. But what exactly are the key technologies driving this revolution? Let's break down how innovations like blockchain, artificial intelligence, big data, mobile tech, cloud computing, and cybersecurity are shaping the future of finance. Number 1. Blockchain technology. First up, let's talk about blockchain, the technology that powers cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. But blockchain is far more than just a platform for digital currencies. It's a decentralized ledger that guarantees transparency and security in transactions, which is crucial in the world of finance. Blockchain allows for smart contracts, which automatically execute agreements without the need for intermediaries. This reduces the potential for fraud, speeds up transactions, and makes processes more efficient. Beyond crypto, blockchain is making waves in sectors like real estate and supply chain management, where secure, transparent transactions are key. Number 2. Artificial intelligence, AI. Next, we have artificial intelligence, or AI. AI's ability to process and analyze massive amounts of data faster and more accurately than humans has transformed the way financial institutions operate. AI is being used to personalize financial services, offering tailored advice to consumers based on their spending patterns and financial goals. Chatbots powered by AI provide instant customer support, available 24/7. And AI is playing a huge role in fraud detection, helping institutions identify suspicious activity through pattern recognition much faster than traditional methods. Number 3. Big data analytics. Big data is another driving force behind fintech. Every time a financial transaction occurs, data is generated, and this explosion of data requires powerful tools to make sense of it. Big data analytics is helping financial institutions understand and predict consumer behavior, allowing them to offer more personalized products and services. For example, banks can analyze spending habits to provide customized budgeting advice or recommend specific financial products. This makes services more relevant to the individual and more responsive to the needs of customers. Number 4. Mobile technology. Now let's talk about mobile technology. With smartphones in the hands of billions, mobile banking has exploded. From transferring money to applying for loans, mobile apps have made managing money more convenient and accessible than ever. Mobile tech also supports innovations like contactless payments through NFC, near-field communication. This has become particularly important in today's world, where consumers demand safer and more convenient payment methods, especially during health crises like the COVID-19 pandemic. In developing countries, mobile banking has bridged the gap where traditional banking infrastructure doesn't exist, empowering underserved populations to take control of their financial futures. Number 5. Cloud computing. Another key technology that's essential to fintech is cloud computing. Cloud services allow financial companies to store data and run applications on remote servers, cutting down on the need for expensive physical IT infrastructure. This makes scaling services more affordable for startups and smaller companies, enabling them to compete with industry giants without heavy upfront costs. Cloud technology also offers flexibility and scalability, making it easier for fintech companies to adapt quickly to new challenges and market demands. Number 6. Cybersecurity. With all these digital innovations, cybersecurity has never been more critical. As financial services move online, protecting sensitive customer data is a top priority. Cybersecurity technologies are constantly evolving to defend against cyber attacks, data breaches, and fraud. From encryption that secures personal information to blockchain applications that prevent unauthorized access, ensuring security in financial transactions is essential to maintaining trust in the digital economy. Conclusion: the future of fintech technologies. These technologies, working together, create a dynamic and rapidly evolving landscape for the financial sector. They are transforming the way we think about money and how it's managed, making financial services more efficient, secure, and accessible to a broader audience. The future of fintech is filled with potential, and as these technologies continue to advance, we can expect even greater changes. Consumers will have more control over their financial lives, businesses will operate more efficiently, and new opportunities for growth will emerge in the global economy. Understanding these key technologies is essential for anyone navigating the modern financial landscape, whether you're a consumer, a financial professional, or just an interested observer. The impact of fintech is profound, and it's reshaping how we interact with money in the digital age.